Most people think they are mentally weak, but this is not a character problem. This is a biology problem, and today we fix it. Your nervous system has one job: decide whether you are safe or in danger. Right now, millions of people are stuck on the wrong side. When danger is detected, survival mode activates. Heart rate rises, muscles tighten. Your brain stops thinking clearly and starts just trying to survive. Here's what nobody tells you. Your nervous system cannot tell the difference between a physical threat and a psychological one. A deadline, a hostile message, bad news. Your brain treats all of it like a predator, and it keeps your system permanently activated. That is nervous system dysregulation, not weakness. Biology doing exactly what it was designed to do in an environment it was never built for. Habit 1. Slow your exhale. Breathe in for 4 counts, breathe out for 6 to 8. 60 seconds. This is the fastest reset that exists. This is not a trend. The vagus nerve responds directly to slow breathing. It signals your brain that the danger has passed. Use it daily. Habit 2. Stop triggering the system you are trying to calm. You cannot reduce anxiety while constantly feeding it new material. Create gaps in stimulation every day. 20 minutes without your phone. A meal without a screen. These gaps are when your nervous system actually recovers. Habit 3. Move your body. Stress is a physical process. It prepares your body for movement. When movement never comes, the stress stays stored inside. A 20-minute walk completes the stress cycle. You do not need intense exercise. You just need to move. Daily, consistently. Habit 4. Protect your sleep. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is nervous system repair. Without it, every single day starts from a deficit. Poor sleep and dysregulation feed each other. Breaking that cycle starts with one decision. Sleep becomes non-negotiable before everything else. Habit 5. Build one daily safety signal. A quiet morning, the same cup of tea, a short walk at the same time. Repeated. Your nervous system learns through repetition. Reliability signals safety. And safety is exactly what your system has been searching for. When your nervous system is regulated, everything changes. You stop reacting to everything. Small problems stop feeling like emergencies. Life becomes manageable again. Calm nervous system is the foundation of everything.